Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today, as you can see, we will be going over on how to fix Snapchat birthday year change not working. Now, so as you can see, you can only change your birthday a limited number of times. Now, if you probably change your birthday, a couple of times, then you cannot change it anymore. So what you can do, the best thing you can do is go back here and go to settings on Snapchat. And what I would suggest is, I know a lot of people who had the same problem and they fixed it with this particular way. So as you can see, scroll down until you see I need help, click on I need help. Now, once you click on I need help, basically you will go to Snapchat support. Now, here you can click contact us. And then as you can see here, you can pretty much say, I need a help with a Snapchat feature, then scroll down and then click settings right here. And then, you can click changing my birthday, right? Or you can click other as well, and then you will get this dialog box, right? Because you obviously want to click changing my birthday, but if you don't have a dialog box like this, then you won't be able to contact Snapchat. So here you will be able to contact Snapchat and tell them that you've changed your date a lot of times, or you don't even have to tell them that. You can just tell them that your actual date of birth is, for example, 1st of January 2000, right? And that you're stuck on a particular date that you want this to be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it, right? Now, if you go to changing my birthday, right, as you can see, need help with something else, yes, and then you will be able again to contact them as well here. So that's pretty much it. This is how one of my friends, or actually a few of my friends, fixed their Snapchat birthday year. Again, Snapchat support is great. They will help you with anything. So make sure to go there and make sure to fix your Snapchat birthday year change not working. So if you have any questions regarding this whole process, comment down below and I'll help you out. But basically, this is how to fix Snapchat birthday year change not working. Now, thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next video.